Introducing the upgraded NNL One App, where all your preparation tools come together on the home screen. Tap the three dots to open the plan section. Select your plan to access its content. Or you can switch your subscribed plan anytime while exploring eNotes, videos, QBank, or tests. Stay updated by checking your app status before you begin. From here, you can head to the videos section to begin learning. Switch between subjects and courses smoothly with the upgraded navigation. See how many videos there are to watch in the lecture. Tap on any lecture to start learning. Each lecture is interlinked with notes and practice tests, including CBVAT and QB for connected learning. Select menu to view all available topics. Track your lecture completion with the progress tracker. Stay on track with important video tags for quick access to key content. Filter lectures by learning status. Inside your subscribed plan, start exploring the eNotes section. Here, you can access all your study notes subject-wise. Tap on any subject to open its detailed notes. Select any text to highlight and save important concepts for revision. Next, tap on QBank from the bottom menu to access MCQs across various subjects and topics. Select any topic to begin attempting questions. From here, you can also choose practice mode or exam mode to attempt questions. While attempting questions, you can report them and view detailed explanations. Each question shows answers as you attempt. Filter correct, incorrect, skipped, or bookmarked responses. In the end, all your question attempts are automatically tracked. You can also view a detailed test performance analysis of your practice performance. See where you stand on national and state leaderboards, along with your ranks and attempt efficiency. Now tap on tests to access exam practice modules. Select from mini tests, grand tests, subject-wise tests, and more. But the most powerful feature here is the custom test builder. Select subjects, topics, and question volume to create your own test. Attempt your custom-built test like a real exam. Access detailed accuracy and performance insights. See where you stand on national leaderboards. Track subject performance and time management. Tap the Pro icon on top to check your plan validity and expiry. Now tap on the side menu to explore additional resources. Click on My Reports to view your personalized progress and insights. Check out your scheduled content to stay on track with your study plan. Access MySpace to find your saved notes, bookmarked content, and downloads. Click on Buy Books to explore preparation books. Attempt CBT simulations inside the NNL Exam Center. Click on My Practice Test to practice independently. Use the Ask Us feature to quickly get answers to your preparation queries. Connect with the online counselor for guidance on preparation plans and strategy. Everything you need to crack NORCET now lives inside NNL One. Download the app and experience the upgrade.